Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer History Boys Higher Secondary School Tral. Today our topic for 11th class students of our institution of history subject is who were Umayyads? What were the reasons behind the downfall of Umayyads? Dear students, after the death of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in 632 AD, he was succeeded by rulers known as Khalifas. The number of these Khalifas was 4. Number 1 was Khalifa Abu Bakr. He ruled from 632 to 634 AD. Number 2 was Khalifa Umar. He ruled from 634 to 644 AD. Number 3 was Khalifa Usman. He ruled from 644 to 656 AD. And the last one was Khalifa Ali, who ruled from 656 to 661 AD. And in 661 AD, the Khilafat came to an end because the rule now came in the hands of dynasties. Till 661, the rule was not in the hands of dynasties, and because the rulers who ruled till date, like Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali, were elected by the people. Now the dynasties began to rule. So the first dynasty which started its rule in Arabia was the Umayyad dynasty. Umayyad dynasty was founded by Muawiyah in 661 AD, and the rulers of this dynasty ruled from 661 AD to 750 AD. Their capital was Damascus. Let me remind you this as well. The capital of first 4 Khalifas was Medina, and Muawiyah changed the capital from Medina to Damascus. Therefore, this Muawiyah was a founder of Umayyad dynasty, and the rule of Umayyad dynasty continued from 661 to 750 with their capital at Damascus. Dear students, this Umayyad dynasty saw great rulers, like Muawiyah himself was a great ruler who ruled from 661 to 680 AD. Then his son Yazid became the ruler 680 to 683, during which the famous battle of Karbala took place, in which Hussein alayhi salam was martyred. Then the third was Abdul Malik, one of the greatest rulers of Umayyad dynasty. He ruled from 685 to 705 AD. And then the fourth was Walid, who ruled from 705 to 715 AD. And the fifth was Umar II, who ruled from 717 to 720 AD. And after Umar II, we understand that from 717 to 750 AD, we see that at least 7 rulers ascended the throne, which shows that during the last part of the Umayyad rule, there was total chaos and confusion, as we see that 7 rulers ascended the throne just within the gap of 33 years. Ultimately, this Umayyad dynasty ended in 750 AD. The important reasons behind the downfall and decline of the Umayyad dynasty can be discussed as under. Number 1, leaving aside some important or particular rulers of Umayyad dynasty, most of the rulers did not pay attention towards administration. As a result, downfall of an empire which was vast and the rulers did not pay attention towards this vast administration, the downfall of such an empire was inevitable. Number 2, the Umayyad rulers were discriminatory, did not treat well the non-Arabs. As a result, the non-Arabs, with the passage of time, began to get alienated, began to get annoyed with the Umayyad rulers, who with the passage of time created problems and ultimately became an important reason for the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty. Number 3, the Umayyad rulers where especially the Umayyad rulers who came at towards the end, they were incompetent, they were incapable, as we see from 717 to 750, at least 7 rulers, one after the other, ascended the throne, which clearly speaks that there was chaos and confusion, there were problems, and the rulers were incapable. As a result of these incapable rulers ascending the throne and ruling over a vast empire, the decline of such an empire which was vast and ruled by incapable rulers and inefficient rulers was inevitable. Number 5, the Shias, who were staunch enemy of the Umayyads, because they held that they thought that Umayyads were responsible for the assassination of Ali and his son Hussein. Hence, they were waiting for a golden opportunity to avenge their death. And when the Umayyads felt weak in 750 AD, when their weak rulers came, they took an opportunity and created all sorts of problems for them, which became an important reason behind the decline of the Umayyad dynasty. Number next, taking advantage of anarchy and chaos and confusion in the Umayyad Empire, in the Umayyad dynasty, the Abbasids launched an organized movement called the Dawa movement, and this movement ultimately resulted in the final downfall of the Umayyad Empire in 750 AD. And after their downfall, the Abbasids, this Abbasid dynasty became the rulers of the Islamic Empire. Who are the Abbasids? We shall talk about this inshallah in next lecture. Thank you.